Welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about operating system. An operating system or OS is a software that manages computer hardware resources and provides essential services to software applications. It acts as an intermediary between the hardware and software, facilitating communication and coordination. Let's discuss the key functions of an operating system one by one. Resource management. The OS manages hardware resources such as CPU, memory, disk storage, and peripherals like printers and network adapters. It allocates these resources efficiently among various running processes or applications. Process management. The operating system is responsible for creating, scheduling, and terminating processes or tasks. It ensures that multiple processes can run concurrently without interfering with each other, utilizing features like multitasking, multiprocessing, and multithreading. Memory management. OS manages system memory by allocating memory space to processes, ensuring that each process has sufficient memory to execute properly. It also handles memory allocation and deallocation, memory protection, and virtual memory management. File system management. The operating system manages files and directories on storage devices like hard drives, SSDs, and flash drives. It provides functions for file creation, deletion, reading, and writing, as well as organizing and accessing files efficiently. Device management. It controls input-output devices such as keyboards, mice, monitors, printers, and network interfaces. The OS coordinates communication between software applications and hardware devices, handling device drivers and ensuring proper functioning of peripherals. User interface. Operating systems provide user interfaces through which users interact with the computer system. This can be a command line interface, graphical user interface, or a combination of both, offering functionalities like desktop environment, window management, file navigation, and application launching. Common examples of operating systems include Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Each operating system has its own set of features, design principles, and target devices, catering to different user needs and preferences. So, that's all for this lesson. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.